Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can check when you bought a game in Steam. So let's start. First, what we need to do is just write to Google support Steam. And you're gonna see here the help Steam powered English. Now I'm going to sign into Steam. I think this was my account. Am I in? Yep. So now we have it here, the support help steampower.com. You want to click here on my account and then data related to your Steam account. And when you're right here, you want to find a purchase history, right? And now you're gonna see right here that I can scroll down below, and oh my god, Chavri, I remember in 2013. I see here that in 2013, it was 7 years ago, I bought a Counter-Strike Global Offensive for €7. It was a really good buy back then. It was like 25 or 20 euro, I think. But this is how you check it. I remember, guys, I was Global Elite for like 2 years, and then I stopped playing because I was addicted to Global Offensive. I was so damn good. Like, guys, you can't imagine how good I was in the game. I was really good. So yeah. But right now I'm like Eagle. If I would start playing it, I would get to Global Elite in like 1 year, I think. But yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, Witcher 2, €3. H1Z1, €20. Damn, that's that game. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye.